once again, guys. You're watching High Voltage Mayhem, and today I have an interesting video to kind of show you a future update of where this channel's headed. So as you can see behind me, we have an IC switchboard and with lots more power available than we used to have. So together we'll be exploring all of this equipment, how it operates, and some other features aboard this ship. So without further ado, let's take a look at the IC room. Okay, so if you'll remember from our last video of the radio BC1335, I mentioned we would be moving on board a ship. So here we are on board the USS Stewart DE-238, and as you can see, we're looking at the IC switchboard. It's just a small 120 volt switchboard that controls some of the low power circuits on board the ship. Dead to our right, we have a radar control platform. As you can see, this will send power to the radar units, but since our radar is in really bad shape, we won't be using any of this equipment because basically the radar is trash, but you can see what we're dealing with. If you've ever been aboard the USS Alabama, you'll see the same sort of circuits down there. And if we take a look on the other side of this IC panel, you will see that the gyro compass right here has an amplifier unit, and that amplifier unit is built into this panel. So this controls the power for the follow-up system for the gyro compass, and this is where we would get power for that. So as you can see, through here, these are the tubes that control the azimuth motor for the gyro compass, and then there are some more down here that have to do with the electronic follow-up system. So we'll be taking an in-depth look at all of this equipment later, but I'm just going to give you a hint as to what we're doing next. And then here's another project we'll be working on. As you can see, this is a PA amplifier. This goes to all the speakers on board the ship. As you can see, the big tubes that drive the speakers in there. It's been extensively vandalized over time, so we'll be taking a look at what it takes to properly get this equipment operational again. Last but not least, we have Dyna Motors right here. We have motor gen sets all over the ship. And as you can see, straight below decks, there's another one. Even more. And also repeater equipment. So we'll be taking a look at all of these things, especially this Sperry gyro compass. So this is an interesting unit. It's sort of messed up as is, but we'll take a look at it and see what it would take to get this operational. Now, since our ship will never move out again, at least that I know of anytime soon, it'll be hard to test this gyro compass if we do get it operational, but we'll go ahead and talk about the principles of operation and what it takes to fix one of these things. So that's basically it. This is only one of the many rooms aboard the Stewart that have interesting electrical equipment. So since we've moved up in scale and have much broader equipment and more things to study on this ship, we will be moving our YouTube channel on here and testing out all this sort of equipment. So I hope you've enjoyed this little sneak peek of what we're doing. This is again High Voltage Mayhem, and I will see you back in all these new future videos.